What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another Halloween cocktail. And today's Halloween cocktail, guys, is a Death in the Afternoon. I will show you how to make this simple but effective but very strong cocktail. So get your champagne glass and pour in 30ml or 1 ounce of absinthe. So we'll go finish off the bottle. And simply just top it up with champagne. And there you go, guys, that is one Death in the Afternoon. So we have made this in the past, but we decided to do it again, and it's perfect for Halloween, especially with absinthe. Absolutely perfect. It's a very strong cocktail, but how does it taste? Like with any absinthe cocktail, it certainly has a kick to it. But it's not for everyone. It certainly gives it that licorice taste that you can taste with the absinthe. Well, it's alright with the champagne, but very strong, and I'd certainly recommend it if you want to get Halloween. That is Death in the Afternoon. And make sure to like and subscribe to Mixed if you wish to see more cocktails. We will be doing one more video for Halloween on Halloween itself, which will be the Halloween shots. You can also check out my social media description below if you wish, my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and also my email. I will see you for the Halloween shots.